This is part 2 of the Beyond the S&P 500 series. In the last video, I told you about Michael, a high-earning professional who went from scattered positions and idle savings to 24% returns in a year and almost his entire salary from returns in a single year. If you haven't watched that video yet, go back and watch it because it sets up everything I'm about to share in this video. In this video, I want to tell you our story because before I show you the framework in video 3, I want you to understand where it actually came from and the specific moments that changed how we invest as a couple. Yenny and I were already investing. We weren't beginners. We had both been working in an investment company, so we understood the mechanics better than most. The S&P 500, the standard playbook, put money in, leave it, let it compound, and for a while that felt like it was enough. We were doing what we were supposed to do, following the advice, getting reasonable returns, but something felt off. We were investing, but we weren't building as fast as we wanted, and there's a difference. And it took one conversation to make us see it. Someone mentioned gold, not as a tip, not as a hot take from a finance influencer, but as a genuine conversation about what gold can do in a portfolio. And something shifted for us. Not because gold was the answer, but because that conversation made us ask a question that we had never asked before. Does everything in our investment portfolio have a deliberate reason for being there? The honest answer was no. We had investments because we had heard that they were good. We had allocations because they felt reasonable. We had a portfolio, but we didn't have a strategy. So we went back to basics, not beginner basics, strategic basics. Why does each investment exist? What is it doing in our portfolio that nothing else is doing? And how does everything connect together for us? Gold wasn't just a new position, it was a hedge, a store of value, something that moves independently from our other positions so that when markets get volatile, not everything will move in the same direction at once. That kind of thinking about every position, not just the new ones, is what changed our portfolio. We stopped investing randomly and started investing with architecture. That year, the year that we rebuilt our approach, our portfolio grew by 88%. Not because we got lucky, not because the market was perfect, because we had a deliberate strategy behind every decision that we made. And more importantly, we had a strategy that we both understood. Not just one of us managing everything while the other person trusted that it was fine, but both of us knowing exactly what we held, why we held it, and what would need to change for us to change our position. That shared conviction and that alignment is what changed the results. Here's the thing that most high-earning couples are operating from. We're already investing, we just need to stay consistent. And consistency matters. It matters deeply, but consistency with the wrong architecture just compounds the wrong direction faster. The question isn't, are you investing consistently? The question is, does everything in your investment portfolio have a deliberate reason for being there? If you cannot answer that, then you're not investing with intention. And there's a significant difference in the results, trust me. In our next video, part 3 of this series, I'm going to show you the exact framework, the 3-pillar portfolio system that produced both Michael's results and ours. How to build a portfolio with real architecture behind it, your foundation, growth, and opportunity, and why most high earners are missing at least one of these entirely. So subscribe so you don't miss it. And if you want to build this now, DM us the word ready on Instagram. We work privately with high-earning couples who are already investing and ready to go further. This is Beyond the S&P 500. See you in part 3.